Hello friends, welcome to Storytime with Choc and Chip, where we learn and laugh together.
Muddy Mayhem. Grunt, a formidable wild boar, guided his herd through the rugged terrain with sleek fur and sharp tusks, navigating perils in the dense forest.
One morning, Grunt sensed danger. With a rumbling growl, he rallied his herd, ready for whatever may come. As tension grew, a fearsome predator emerged. Grunt sprang into action, positioning himself between the predator and his kin. Undeterred, Grunt charged forward, his tusks gleaming in sunlight, ready to defend his herd. A fierce battle ensued, echoing through the forest as Grunt fought with unwavering courage. Finally, the predator retreated, defeated by Grunt's indomitable spirit. Triumphant, Grunt led his herd onward, their bond stronger after the shared triumph.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.